And it has carrots, peppers. What else do we have? Sprouts too.
Sprouts too. It has shallots and garlic and green onions and rice noodles and cilantro. Hi, I'm Rihanna. Welcome back. This is Jed and Riley, and today we are making pad thai. And it's one of those things that I never really made. The first time I made it was, a couple months ago.
And I got a hot noodle.
When somebody asked me to make a video. And it was just one of those things that I never really thought to make. It always seemed complicated, and
a noodle.
And so I just hadn't done it. But it turns out it's actually really not complicated. And the only thing that I maybe wouldn't have had in my fridge or pantry a few years ago that I do now is fish sauce. But I have that already because I've been making a lot of Asian food lately. Just that. And if you don't have fish sauce, soy sauce, probably you could just add some extra soy sauce and be fine. So it really is not super complicated. I got all of our veggies prepped already, so all of the dicing and chopping and everything is good to go, and it should make the whole process go pretty quickly now that we're here. So I'm gonna get started with getting our noodles. I have these thick rice noodles. To do these, we're gonna just put them in a bowl and pour boiling water over them. I do like your necklace. So we want 4 ounces of noodles, which is right about there. Can you put the noodles in the bowl, please? No, put them in the bowl, please. I'm gonna pour water over them. I really should have done this first because they need to soak for 25 to 30 minutes. And it shouldn't take quite that long to get everything else done, but that's okay. We will let it go for as long as we can, and they will kind of finish cooking when we add everything together. Next, we're gonna make our sauce. Let's see, we need to start with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 tablespoons of the cocoa aminos.
Oh, cocoa aminos!
1, 2. Okay, my helper's lost interest in helping, so it's just me, and that is okay. All right, we're gonna do lime juice, another 1.5 tablespoons of that. Another 1.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar. It's pretty easy measurements here. And fish sauce. So it's just equal parts of all of these. And the same for the peanut butter. I'm not gonna stick a fish sauce spoon in the peanut butter. I'll use the sugar spoon instead. Peanut butter. Eyeball that up. All right, next is the sambal oelek. That's a Thai chili sauce. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go kind of like barely 1/2 tablespoon on this one because it is fairly spicy, and while Riley is all about the spicy stuff, I'll probably have to rinse Jed's noodles off before I give them to him because he does not do spice at all. So then I've got basil, coriander, ginger, like 1/3 teaspoon, so we're just eyeballing that too. Ginger, coriander, and basil. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And that's our sauce. The only trick is getting the peanut butter to smooth out. So that just takes a minute and some elbow grease. And it all smooths out when it heats up and is cooking anyway. Okay, I am going to use the wok because I can, but you don't have to. You could use any big frying pan. We're going to do some just canola oil and a little bit of sesame oil as well. Okay, it looks hot to me. Chicken going in. Let it sit for a minute. Chicken comes out. Shallot and garlic. Carrots. Bell pepper. Some more oil because we can. Jed, honey, take it down, please. So pad thai is just a stir fry with this peanutty sauce, right? Our chicken is already cooked. We're stir frying our veggies. We're gonna add an egg, just scrambled, throw it right in on top of the veggies. Then we add the noodles, pour over the sauce, and we're just gonna garnish it with cilantro and peanuts, and that's it, we're done. Eggs are going in. Turn the heat down significantly if you didn't catch that. Gonna let those scramble up, and I'm gonna drain the noodles. Okay, these noodles probably could have soaked just a little bit longer because they're still sticking together quite a bit, but that's okay. It is what it is. We're gonna drizzle them with sesame oil. Get them out of the colander before I do that. Quick drizzle. My hands are already in it, so they're just going for it. Okay, they're going in the pan. Noodles. Sauce. We're just gonna let that cook for a couple minutes. Turn the heat up just a little bit. I'm gonna go to like medium. Stir that up, it'll thicken up a bit. So of course the noodles are still cooking a little bit at this point in the process as well. They'll finish up their cook here while the sauce heats up and thickens up a little. Guys, you're being really, is what it is. All right, chicken going back in. About 1.5 cups of bean sprouts. These are mung bean sprouts. They only take about 3 days to do. So I made those up last week. Need to use them up. Mix that in. Look at that. Just perfect for my little family. Cilantro for the adults. Peanuts for everybody. I forgot the green onions. It's okay. I'll just throw some on top. It'll be fine.
Is that good, Jed?